Kalas now, if you want to make manual corrected, so you will go to work order here,
Okay.
click, but then click the new work order,
Okay.
but then right here work type,
Hmm.
you will make here manual preventive. Because why you do it? Because as per the schedule it should be come, but it will not come, so you will do manual. So you click here, but then work priority, this one, normal, but then PM number, this important, you should just write 271, the one here
271.
without the 271. Okay, but then task number is 020. So this is the important, the PM number, task number, but then asset number 30522. Okay, just close it and put here the one you saw here. You just retype here, refrigerator number 8 serology. Okay, after this one you can close, save, save. After save, you will go to work order closing, because you will make a time, days or target date. So this one is supposed to be is November, November. So just write November 16, 2024, and give 5 days, so 21. Or 1 week, no problem. 7 days, plus 7,
24.
24. So 24, and close. So now it will be here. Here.
Okay.
Okay, but then we can print it now.
Print worker.
Print. Okay.
Same procedure we
Same
will do
procedure.
for all item.
All item that no hada.
Okay.
Okay.